Hello everyone. It's shot time.
The reason why you got the unicorn egg is because you've been a really good girl this week and you've eaten all of your food. Okay? And I'm very proud of you.
Yes, that's why I'm going to open this.
Yeah, and that's why we're going to open that. And if you keep eating all your food and you keep being a good girl, we can get more toys, okay?
Get more toys, like the magic one.
Yeah, give me a kiss.
What do you say?
Thank you. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Rachel, come on Barbie, yes so Barbie. Yeah. Come on Barbie, yes so Barbie.
So may nagtanong pala sa inyo guys kung magkano daw yung nagastos ko lahat pagkapanganak ko. Hello everyone. Look at our baby girl. She was waking before. And then she seems to be very comfortable in there. Very warm kasi sa labas guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, sunny. I close this. Ayan, para hindi siya masyadong mainitan. Shush. Shush. Tingnan nyo. Ano kayang iisipin ni Baby Esin kapag nakita niya itong mga videos? When she grow up? Ang nawang. Ang nawang. Go away, Mama. Ayan. Settle na yan siya, guys. Ang sarap kasi ng didi, no? And then nakaswaddle pa siya. Ayan. So, inaano ko naman yung ulo niya, guys. Yung bang face siya dito, and then sa kabila naman, ganun, para hindi maano yung ulo niya. Para ma-maintain ang roundness ng kanyang head. Ayan. And ang ating baby girl ay wave. Wave pa. Say hi. Hi. Ayan, kumain na kasi siya guys, kaya nakaano na. Hindi pala yan siya ice cream. Yogurt yan siya. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Ito yung mga na-dry na mga damit ng mga kiddos. And now maghahang na naman tayo ng mga panibagong lalabhan. Yan. Kanina pa pala kami na guys, kising. So I cleaned the bedroom. Ayan, so medyo na siya tingnan. Hindi na siya masyadong makalat. Tapos si mami niyo ay nakapaghilamos na rin, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, kasi tulog ang ating baby girl. So, nakapaghilamos na tayo. And then, yan ang ating suot. Laki pa rin ang tiyan natin, guys. Grabe. Anyways. Tapos, dito sa ating bathroom, nag-ano ako, guys, yung ibang mga muslin wrap ni Baby Esin, i-hand wash ko sila kasi our washing machine is playing up. Tapos kailangan ko tong mga mga muslin wrap. So parang ko lang tawag dito. Babad ko lang dyan, tapos in a few minutes I'll wash it with my hands pag hindi pa Siguro papadidihin ko muna si Baby Esin bago ko to siya gawin. And then yeah. Yan lang yung natin dito sa bahay. Kasi hindi naman tayo makakalabas. Yeah, ano tayo? I will put this away as well. Yung mga napamili from Chemist Warehouse. And yan si Daddy Mike nanonood ng ano niya. UFC. Pagising namin kanina, ginawa na niya kami ng ano ng breakfast namin. Mga kape. Ayan. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Lamit naman ako. We'll change your clothes after that, ha? Give Mama one bite, please. Thank you. What flavor is it?
Mango.
Mango?
And coconut.
Mango and coconut? Do you like coconut?
I like coconut and apples.
Apples? Coconut is my favorite too. Give me another bite. You had a good sleep? You sleep well?
I just rained.
You dream? Hang on. What did you dream about?
Butterfly.
Butterflies again?
Yeah.
You always dream about butterfly. You always dream about butterfly. Wakey, wakey. So wakey, wakey na. Wake up, baby. Anak, di pa na siya kakita, anak.
Well, he's liking.
Do you think so?
He's well like this.
She's waking up. She's waking up. Josh!
What's he? I let her watch.
Anak, di pa man na siya kita, anak.
It's like watching.
Huh?
It's like it. It's like it.
Yeah, she can see us yet. Look, she's smiling though.
But let's see times.
Shush!
It's okay. I'll put the socks on for you.
Katulolo na? Nak, kikuto ikaw na? Ha? Shush!
Right, let turn the camera baby.
Hello? Hello?
Let me watch. Miss, you want to watch this?
Sige, see if you wanna watch it.
He say yes.
Really? Bulingit kayo ka, oh. Lamusta?
What you found? Hey? Huh? This one was my friend.
We have to wash your face. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Kinat na pala namin yung mga nails niya, guys, ha? Sa Etsikay. Minsan kasi, pag nilalagyan ko ng bib, ang tawag dito, yung mittens, natatanggal. Ayan. Pero ano na yung kuko niya. Final ko na yan. Nak, no? Nagmanicure na ta, nak? Nagmanicure na ta, Baba? Ha? Uf, 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 uf. Wakey, wakey, my princess. Wakey, wakey. Oh, oh.
Can we watch this watch?
Paano na to siya? Kaninang umaga, sinwadol ko na lang to siya. Tapos, pinadedik ko. Wala na to siyang pants. Oh, very warm ang good kay ko, oy. Very warm ang good kaayo ko. That's why. Tingnan niyo. Wiwi, ayos. Change na napi. Change na napi, nak. Maayo ka iyang wake up. Walay hilak, Jesus! Who's my good girl? Who's my good girl? Hmm? Hmm? Shush. Yun nga sabi ko kay Daddy Mike kanina guys sa umaga. Sabi ko, I think ang baby sila is starting to settle now. Kasi before, pag binibihisan ko siya, parang she's crying talaga, screaming and all. But now she's starting to feel, parang nafe-feel na siguro niya yung love, yung care, ganon. So, hindi na siya na ano. Ay, shush, dulay-dulay lang. Ay, shush, dulay-dulay lang. Sige, my love. It's okay. Ayan. So, parang feel niya secure na siya, ganon. Ganon, nak na? Ganon. Happy Sunday, Bobby. Happy Sunday, Bobby. Oh, ang galing ninyo magliso-liso sa iyang liog ba? Nak? Nak? Can you please get Mama Nappy ka for baby Celine? It's in the bed. Just one, Nak. Thank you. Hindi pa pala nakuha yung aking gisilhig, ay. Ate Paris is getting your nappy. Ate Paris is getting your nappy. Who's the lucky girl? Who's the lucky girl? Got Ate Paris. Hmm? It's on the bed now, near the clock. Ate Paris can't find the nappy daw, nak. Taas si ilong imong ate, nak. Nak. Taas ilong si ate, nak. Di niya makita ang nappy. Hmm? Mama will go help Ate Paris, ha? It's on the other side. See, next to the wipes. Papa, it's in the same basket. Yeah. Next to the blue one. Yep, take that off. And the nappy is behind it. Found it? Just one.
Bye.
Yes, thank you. Uy! Good catch, Mommy.
Catch this
Not
one.
that one because heavy. Thank you, Ate. Give Mommy kiss me. Such a good girl. I'm back. We'll change the bum bum. We'll change the bum bum. How's the sound? Happy? Happy? Give Mommy a smile. Give Mommy a smile if you're happy. Shush, 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 shush. Gutom na yan, oh. Nakain ng kanyang kamay. Hello, everyone. It's showtime. Siklo. Siklo. Ay. Magdidinan ni Ani na daw yun. Ba, nag-change naman yan, Nappy.
Mommy,
Yes?
look.
Shush. Where's the big spider? Come here. Anak, you take your pants off na, Nappy.
Pushing.
Oh, you're pushing. Okay. So we can change it. Why? Dito kami magdididi. Knock. Dito kami magdididi. Ang bulingit nga bata. Lah. You look like a vampire ba? Pahilamos dito ka. Go. Oh, have a look at baby Celine. I just had a little bit of milk. Guys. Uy,
I can't put
I just had a little bit of milk.
my can put the camera there. Look at the whole hair can pop.
And we have to you have to wash your face, change your clothes, and be clean before we can hold baby Celine. Okay?
And a hole.
You wanna hold? No pressure.
A few moments later.
May dumating na parcel. Who is it for, honey?
Me.
Is that yours?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I don't know if my nail leg inside.
Are you sure?
I don't know if my nail leg.
Now come here. Come here.
Okay.
Before we open it, Daddy will tell you something. See ya.
It's my nail leg. And I say it's my nail leg.
Come here. The reason why you got the unicorn egg is because you've been a really good girl this week and you've eaten all of your food. Okay? And I'm very proud of you.
Yes, that's why I'm going to open this.
Yeah, and that's why we're going to open that. And if you keep eating all your food and you keep being a good girl, we can get more toys, okay?
It's more toys. Like the magic one.
Yeah. Give me a kiss.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Open. Cool.
See, you're very strong as well because you've been eating.
Yeah.
See, you can open your own
Okay.
toy. Tagal na ito niya hinintay, guys. In-order ni Daddy online kasi nga lockdown kami so hindi kami papunta sa mga shops.
We need the leg.
Oh my
I
god!
told you.
Show mommy. Show mommy.
Babe, show mommy?
Show mommy. Turn around. Look at the camera.
Oh my goodness!
Come here.
Lucky girl. Just say thank you to Daddy. Uy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yay.
Love you so much. Dad, it has power in this.
Yeah.
You have to share with baby Celine later on, huh?
Can we open it?
Wow, that's so big, Paris.
Yes, it's so big. I don't know if there's any stuff inside.
Hopefully there's lots of stuff inside.
I want to get the pink flamingo.
Pink flamingo.
That's
Are
inside.
you gonna need a knife, Daddy? I think.
I want to have knives.
Yeah, we do. But your face is very bulingit.
Yes, I'll still play with it. There we go. Dad, you're so strong at this.
Yeah, because I eat all my food.
I ate all my food too.
I did today.
Baby Celine na yung pakialam, guys. So, nagdididi.
Wait. I want the pink flamingo one.
Show me what's inside na.
I don't think so. What's inside? I don't know. What's that? A flamingo. Pink flamingo.
Pink flamingo. You like pink flamingo na?
Yes.
Are you
you
excited?
Yes, I'm happy. What we make us?
You've been waiting for that one, yeah? Every day for the last week.
That's not.
Yeah, you keep asking, when is my unicorn gonna be here?
There you go.
I'm gonna crush it, but I made to turn the heart.
Ito yung nakikita niya kapag nanonood siya ng YouTube.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Oh,
Look,
goodness.
it's a clip.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
clip. Oh, wow, Paris. What's this?
You put that in the hair.
Oh,
Oh, you put it in the tummy.
it's so cool.
It has some.
Open everything.
Ikaw na. You play with Ate Paris na? Hindi,
Is that
iya.
happy?
Let's have paper.
Do you want
Show me,
it?
Nakbi. What's that, Nak?
Egg.
Wow. What's inside, Daddy?
Surprises.
It has babies inside. This baby.
Babies. Do you like this one, Nak? The unicorn?
I like this one.
This one ba? Oh?
I like that one.
Can Daddy help you? Or you can do it.
Now let's try that.
Look at Mommy, Nak. Wow! I love your headband. The hair is so long too. Hindi pa rin siya natapos, guys. Sobrang daming laman. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Stay in the mirror, Nak. Diba? Stay in the mirror. Tingnan niyo. Oh, diba? Ang arte talaga nito, eh.
I'm a Barbie girl. And the
Let me have a look at your ring, babe. How about your ring? Your rings ba? Tang-tang na.
hair. And my hair.
Baby, Mama will fix it. Come. Who put it there, Daddy? Di mo rin balo, Daddy, eh. Sana. Sana.
I'm a Barbie girl and the Barbie world. Plastic. What's this one? What's this?
Ribbon.
No, it's a bone.
A what?
Bone.
A bow?
Yeah.
It's the same, anak.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Rachel, come on, Barbie, yes, so Barbie. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, yes, so Barbie. Come on, Barbie, yes.
Face here, anak.
Yeah. Come on, Barbie, yes, so Barbie.
Good job.
La 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 la. I'm retarded. Is he running?
Mabuang ka yun, guys.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Face here ba?
In the Barbie world.
Nak, here ba? So tita and tito can see you.
Come on, Barbie. Yes, so Barbie. Huh?
Time check tayo. It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon. And nagising na naman ang ating prinsesa nakaupo sa tasa. Nak. Kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, guys. Alam niyo ba? Ewan ko at nag-vomit tong ating baby girl. Sobrang basa ko dito. Yes, anak. Careful, yeah, Paris, Nicole.
Not finished.
Do you know how to come down? Tingnan niyo, Do you know how to come down? Okay. Oh, it's okay. Mama is here. Mama is here now. Mama is here now. Ayan, pinadede, nakatulog. Gising na naman. Ate, si Paris. Sing for baby Celine so she doesn't cry. Come on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Ang ganda pa ng ginawa ng tatay niya, Galing na sa laruan niya.
The butterflies in the sky, like a diamond in the sky. Hey. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wanna watch you.
Nak. Oh, boo. Carry.
No.
Carry.
No. This is the one to carry.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon. And lalabas ang family. Hey. Ayan. So we're going for a walk.
Show your new hat.
Kasi maganda yung panahon. Wow, shoot it, Auntie, their outfit, be. There, down there. Cause, Maria. Be.
Okay, I'll check. Hey.
Wow.
I don't like it.
Baby,
Come
come here.
Bobby necklace. Show your unicorn necklace.
Wow, so beautiful. Who made that? Come on, let's go. Naka-jacket pa rin tayo guys kasi medyo maginaw pero hindi talaga siya sobrang ginaw-ginaw.
We're waiting for the ice cream.
Again, taking advantage of the weather kasi bukas ay ulan. So, lakad-lakad pag may time. Okay, sige.
Can I go next to Daddy?
Come on, because baby sitting is close that one, Bob, because it's windy.
I'm so cold.
Yeah, okay, sit down. Please. Patulog. Hello, princess. Are you warm in there? Come on, let's go.
Huh?
Yeah. Ma? Hello, Lola. Say hi. The neighbor, guys. Say hello. Say, wave, anak. Wave to Lola. Oh, lovely. Tuwang-tuwa si Lola, guys. Nakita yung mga kids. Lumabas talaga siya. What is it, anak?
Chocolate icing cake.
What is it?
Chocolate icing cake.
Chocolate icing cake. Wow, that sounds very healthy, Paris. Very healthy. Medyo mahangin, guys. I hope na marinig niyo ang boses ko, no?
I just want a chocolate icing cake.
Okay, we'll have a look at the shops, okay? Yeah. Dito na kami. Papunta lang kami ng 7-Eleven, guys. Nothing very special. Lockdown pa more. Walang ibang mapuntahan. At least, you know, we can go for a walk. This is really good for our mental health. Bibili ng Slurpee. Something to munch. Tulog na tulog. And then we're good. Yes, Nak? Yes, baby. I added it.
Why there's the green one there?
Petrol station, diba? Wait, Nak, isarin mo, Nak. Use the purple one because Mama's green.
Okay, I'll do the purple.
Nasa labas kami ng 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Where are we?
Shops.
7
Days.
7 days. 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Yeah. And Daddy Mike's there. Baby Celine, he's very busy taking photo of his daughter. What are you Uy, anak, anak. What are you having, Nak?
Ice.
Ice. Is that Slurpee?
Slippery.
Slurpee.
Slippery. Slippery.
Slippery. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala, guys. No? Grabe ang panahon. 2 kids. 2 kids.
2 kids in the side and two kids in the back side.
2 kids on the side and 2 kids on the back side.
No, in the back side.
Okay.
In the back side. And they are basically in the back side.
Oh, yeah. So, may nagtanong pala sa inyo, guys, kung magkano daw yung nagastos ko lahat pagkapanganak ko. And, yeah, very lucky kami dito sa Australia, guys. Kasi kahit na mahal yung bayad namin sa tax and all, pero covered lahat ng government yung pag-anak Ganun. So, it means na pumunta kami ng ospital, lumapas kami ng ospital, wala kaming binayaran ni isang sentimo, wala talaga guys, which is really good and very helpful kasi alam mo yung pupunta ka ng ospital na wala kang i-worry na magkano kaya yung babayaran ko pagkalabas ko, ganun. So pagpunta mo ng ospital, yung poproblemahin mo lang talaga guys yung pag-push mo pag-push mo ng baby mo na hindi ka mag-iisip kung magkano, ilang milyon ba yung babayaran mo and oh. So kahit na ilang araw ka pang magstay dito sa hospital guys, wala ka talagang babayaran ni isang kusing, wala talaga. With my situation, pinili ko yung lumabas ako kaagad kasi yun yung gusto ko. Very lucky na normal yung delivery ko and everything. I'll actually make a video parang birth story ko para isalaysay ko lahat yung story talaga about sa labor and birth and all. But yes, super lucky ni mamin yun na normal yung delivery and walang naging problema yung baby, walang naging problema si mami. So pinili ko na umuwi kaagad. Kasi merong choice kung gusto mong magstay muna ng ilang days. Pero sa akin guys, ayoko kasi meron alangan namang iwan ko to ng ilang days, diba? So since naman okay yung lahat sa akin, sa amin ni Baby Celine, walang problema. So yeah, that's why umuwi ako pagka bukas na bukas rin umuwi ako. But then yeah, that's the thing. Walang pinoproblemang bills kung magkano yung babayaran dito sa Australia. Kasi silang tinatawag dito na Medicare guys, na covered ka sa lahat ng mga mga hospitalization, ganun. Even though magpunta ka ng doktor pag meron kang sakit sa ulo or meron kang mga kailangan i-consult sa doktor, merong mga medical center na nag-o-offer ng bulk billing. So ibig sabihin hangga't meron kang Medicare card, covered ka guys, wala ka talagang babayaran. And yung iba man, kung hindi bulk billing yung yung clinic or yung medical center, may makukuha kang rebate from the government. So babalik sa'yo yung at least maybe half siguro yun ang binayaran mo. Ganun.
I agree.
Pero yes, nagtanong kung magkano yung nagastos namin. If someone asked Daddy how much we paid for the hospital, for the birth.
Wala. Wala ang peso.
Wala ang peso. Wala ang peso. Yeah. That's why very lucky talaga guys.
We pay tax dollars.
Yeah. So that's why I told them like even though in Australia like we pay
High taxes.
but then pagdating sa mga ganito, it's
Get it
free.
back.
Yeah, so that's why. Guys, tingnan niyo si Paris, sabi niya, "Mommy, look at the moon, it's so big." Sobrang laki ng moon. Grabe, full moon. Si Paris talaga yung nakakita. Kasi si Daddy Mike una nga sabi niya, "We'll take a photo." So big, Nap, no? Wow.
Right? I should go to the moon.
You wanna go to the moon? La. Very big, the moon. Gawas lang, kikik karon ba?
What's the moon
Full moon.
doing?
May lemon sa daan. Ayun guys, oh. Nilalagay lang nila dyan. Oh my god, that's so big.
Oh, that's so big. Aren't they?
Yes. This is big, are they? You're so funny. Baby. Wait.
My name is falling down.
Uncle Lemon.
Uncle Lemon. Uncle Lemon.
Limon. Bisaya ay kana limon.
Lemon.
Kabi limon.
Lemon. Lemon.
Limon.
Lemon. I go. Where go?
Yeah.
I didn't say you want to, I just said you did.
No.
Look at your eyes. Dream of the Tito Dog?
Princess.
Dream of the Tito Dog?
Hello, she's a milk.
Does she remember Tito Dog?
No, I don't think so.
Ask her.
Do you remember Tito Dog?